I'm Steve Sams. I'm Vice President of Site and Facility Services for IBM around the world. Customers are facing a whole series of challenges around the storage environment. First of all, demand's exploding. IDC estimates that in the next 2 years, the amount of storage capacity is going to increase by 650%. The other challenge is, with this increasing demand, unfortunately, CIOs aren't getting increased budgets. And the third challenge is, think of their organizations. Their organizations are going through significant change. They need to be flexible and responsive for everything that's coming at them. So, storage optimization services from IBM can really help clients in really 4 different ways. The first is we can really help them future-proof or get more life out of the existing storage capability that they already have. The second is we can help them standardize or rationalize their storage approaches to lower their operational costs and their capital costs with what they're doing. The third is we can help them provide capability or capacity on demand as they look at new requirements. And finally, we can actually help them with management services so that we can do things for them in very efficient ways, in ways that may be more efficient than if they did it themselves. Intelligent Storage Services Catalog is an example of an analytical tool that IBM has recently brought to the market. What it really does is it automates the allocation of storage to users. Let me give you an example with a North American telecommunications client. This tool automates the deployment of storage to users, where in the past, customers have typically done this manually. In this particular example, by automating this process, we actually reduce the amount of resource required by 80% in that organization, basically freeing it up to do things that are of higher value for the organization. In addition, they also saved $1.5 million of capital expense because the tool is actually allocating the most efficient, lowest cost storage to these requirements versus always allocating the highest cost storage based on a set of policies that were jointly established with the customer. All people really have to do is submit their request, and ISSC automates the actual allocation of storage to users instead of actually having it done manually. For more information on storage optimization, please contact your IBM representative or go to the following site.